Welcome to Annecy. We are located in southeastern France, and this place got the name the Venice of the Alps. One of their most beautiful attractions is Lake Annecy, which actually holds a lot of modern secrets. In recent years, wine merchant Serge Alexandra submerged bottles of wine 20 meters deep into the lake, believing the underwater conditions would enhance their flavor. These submerged treasures are periodically retrieved and auctions, adding contemporary twists to the lake's storied past.
This castle behind me used to be home to the Counts of Geneva, a powerful family who ruled this whole Alpine region in the Middle Ages. But what's really wild is how chaotic and unlucky this place really was. It burned down in the 1300s, was rebuilt, and then got attacked again during the war with France. At one point, the dukes who lived here were part of the infamous House of Savoy, a dynasty that ruled parts of modern-day France, Italy, and Switzerland. They were constantly marrying for power, fighting over land, and using castles like this as both palaces and fortresses. The castle was abandoned by nobles and soldiers alike until after World War II, when Annecy turned it into a museum. Now, just for under $6 a ticket, you can walk through what's basically a live-in time capsule. It's open daily except for Tuesdays from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., and tickets get you access to rotating art exhibits, Alpine art history displays, and old chambers that once held dukes, soldiers, and maybe even a few secrets still hidden in the walls. Abandoned as a noble residence in the 17th century, the chateau found new purpose as a military barracks until 1947. Recognizing its historical significance, the city of Annecy acquired and restored the castle, transforming it into a museum by 1956. Today, the Musée-Château de Annecy houses collections that delve into regional art, history, and the natural sciences, allowing visitors to traverse in the same halls that once echoed with the footsteps of nobility and soldiers alike. one of Annecy's most photographed landmarks, the Palais du Lion. This 12th century structure, often described as resembling a stone ship anchored in Thal River, has a history as layered as its stone walls. Originally built as a fortified residence for the lords of Annecy, it transitioned through various roles: a courthouse, administrative center, and notably a prison. Its strategic location on a natural rocky island made it a formidable site, with the surrounding waters of the Thal River serving as a natural deterrent to escape. During the French Revolution, the Palais du Lion cells were notably overcrowded, underscoring the central role in the region's penal system. Despite its prominence, there are no well-documented accounts of daring escapes from this facility, likely due to its secure design and the natural barrier provided by the river. In medieval times, cities wanted prisons visible. It was meant to remind everyone walking by what happened if you broke the law. But what most people don't know is that it's one of the oldest buildings in the entire city, first documented in 1133. The layout that you see today, that sharp triangle shape, hasn't changed in nearly 900 years. So while it might look charming from the outside, it's seen centuries of politics, punishment, and real history, all packed into one little floating fortress. Airbnb, and we will give you our tour. This is the living room area, very open, bright. My favorite spot so far is this. This is our patio outlooking pretty much the whole town. This is gonna be really gorgeous to sit out here in the morning with breakfast. Nice fresh air. Got a TV, tons of books. This is the kitchen, eating, dinner table. Gonna be making use of that later tonight, hopefully. Check this out. A lot of cooking space. Semi-cool view. Yeah, pretty cool. And then this is private. This is an exclusive tour into our bedroom. Trying to keep it clean, so. And another cool view, so we can get some fresh air, yeah. But what's also nice is that we told this guy that we were in London for our first stop, so he fell free and made that table for us. Very nice of him, shout out him.
Was handcrafted?
Yeah.